Welcome to our video presentation on arts appreciation.
In this session, we will explore the profound impact that art has on our lives and why is it essential to understand and appreciate the various forms of artistic expression.
Art is not just about beauty and aesthetic. It is the powerful medium of communication that reflects our culture, history, emotions, and ideas.
From the timeless masterpieces of classical art to the innovative creations and designs of contemporary artists, we'll delve into the world of visual, performing, and literary arts.
Join us as we uncover the significance of art in our society and how it can enrich our personal and collective experiences.
Let's embark on this journey to enhance our understanding and appreciation of the arts.
Art serves numerous functions that extends beyond simple decoration. The subject matter of art is as diverse as human experience itself. It ranges from the tangible portraits and landscapes concepts. The Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci is a quintessential portrait example renowned for its enigmatic expression and detailed execution. Landscapes and nature scenes like The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh reflects the beauty of the natural world.
The principles of art and design are key concepts for organizing and arranging art elements effectively. They include: first, balance. It is the distribution of visual weight. Second is contrast. Use of opposing elements for visual interest. Third is emphasis. Creating focal points to draw the viewer's eyes. Fourth, movement. Guiding the viewer's eye through the artwork. And lastly, variety. Different elements to create interest and avoid monotony.
Cultural appropriation can lead both to enrichment and controversy, especially when elements are borrowed without better understanding. This is known as cultural appropriation. This is why emphasizing informed and respectful cultural exchanges can lead us to celebrating diversity, all the while maintaining cultural integrity. Lastly, we have the traditional arts of the Philippines, which highlights the nation's rich heritage and vibrant culture through different dances, rituals, crafts, and textiles. Appreciating these traditional practices honor the cultural heritage and underscores the importance on why we should safeguard them for future generations.
We will explore the rich and diverse world of art in the Muslim Mindanao. This region is located in the southern Philippines and is known for its unique cultural heritage that bounds indigenous traditions and Islamic cultures. Muslim Mindanao, home to its various ethno-linguistic groups such as Maguindanao, Maranao, Tausug, and Yakat, has a vibrant history. The visual arts are characterized by intricate patterns and symbolic design. In ochre, it features a geometric and floral patterns that adorn wood carving, textiles, and metalwork. The malong, a traditional tubular garment, showcases elaborate hand-woven patterns unique in each ethnic group. Art has been an integral part of human civilization since the dawn of time.
Appreciating art is not just merely admiring aesthetic beauty.
It is about understanding the myriad ways art reflects and influences our world.
Serving as a mirror to our cultures, emotions, and philosophies.
Through art, we connect with the past,
Reflect on the present, imagine the future, ensuring the essence of humanity
is preserved and celebrated for generations to come.
Join us as we uncover the significance of art in society and how it can enrich the perspective